Since we received against our purchase order in the last video, the next step is to create the supplier invoice. To do so, we'll click on the Supplier Invoicing Work Center, Invoice Entry View. Here, we can see all orders to be invoiced. I'll sort it descending, so we can see our latest purchase order at the top here. As you can see, it's completely delivered, but it has not been invoiced yet. To create an invoice for this PO, we click on the New Invoice button. A lot of the information on this invoice document is pre-populated based on what was entered on the purchase order ID. So we simply enter a supplier invoice ID or number, our invoice date, click check, and we can click post. And we have invoiced our purchase order in SAP Business ByDesign.